Bereshit, chapter 1. In the beginning, Elohim created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was upon the surface of the deep. The Ruach of Elohim was hovering over the surface of the waters. Elohim said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Elohim saw the light, and saw that it was good. Elohim divided the light from the darkness. Elohim called the light day, and the darkness he called night. There was evening, and there was morning, one day. Elohim said, "Let there be an expanse in the middle of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Elohim made the expanse, and divided the waters which were under the expanse from the waters which were above the expanse. And it was so. Elohim called the expanse sky. There was evening, and there was morning, a second day. Elohim said, "Let the waters under the sky be gathered together to one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. Elohim called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters he called seas. Elohim saw that it was good. Elohim said, "Let the earth yield grass, herbs yielding seed, and fruit trees bearing fruit after their kind, with its seed in it, on the earth." And it was so. The earth yielded grass, herbs yielding seed after their kind, and trees bearing fruit with its seed in it after their kind. And Elohim saw that it was good. There was evening, and there was morning, a third day. Elohim said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of sky to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs, and for seasons, and for days, and years. And let them be for lights in the expanse of sky to give light on the earth." And it was so. Elohim made the two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He also made the stars. Elohim set them in the expanse of sky to give light to the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. Elohim saw that it was good. There was evening, and there was morning, a fourth day. Elohim said, "Let the waters swarm with swarms of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth in the open expanse of sky." Elohim created the large sea creatures and every living creature that moves, with which the waters swarmed, after their kind, and every winged bird after its kind. Elohim saw that it was good. Elohim blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth." There was evening, and there was morning, a fifth day. Elohim said, "Let the earth produce living creatures after their kind, livestock, creeping things, and animals of the earth after their kind." And it was so. Elohim made the animals of the earth after their kind, and the livestock after their kind, and everything that creeps on the ground after its kind. Elohim saw that it was good. Elohim said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the sky, and over the livestock, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth." Elohim created man in his own image. In Elohim's image he created him. Male and female he created them. Elohim blessed them. Elohim said to them, "Be fruitful, multiply, fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the sky, and over every living thing that moves on the earth." Elohim said, "Behold, I have given you every herb yielding seed, which is on the surface of all the earth, and every tree which bears fruit yielding seed. It will be your food. To every animal of the earth, and to every bird of the sky, and to everything that creeps on the earth, in which there is life, I have given every green herb for food." And it was so. Elohim saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. There was evening, and there was morning, a sixth day.